Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disable developer mode tools on Discord. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Discord has plenty of features for gamers and community builders, but if you don't see the features you need, you'll need to add a bot. If you're a bot developer yourself, you may want to enable Discord developer mode first. Much like developer mode on Android, Discord in the developer mode enables certain additional information in the Discord client such as channel and messages IDs for your server if you're developing a bot to monitor and post a curtain channel, for instance, you'll need this information to point the bot in the right direction. On my previous video, I've shown you how to enable this feature, the developer mode on your Discord. But maybe for some reason now you want to disable this feature. How to do it? It's very simple. So first of all, of course, you have to open our Discord. Now, you can go to your settings, click on the gear icon in here. As you can see on my account, here, so you can see the three dots over here. It means my uh, developer mode still active. Now I want to disable this developer mode. You can just scroll down on the app settings section. There is an option advanced. You can click on that. Here's the option, the developer mode. Developer mode exposes content menu items helpful for people writing apps using the Discord API. Now you can just enable by disable by click on the toggle in here. So now your developer mode on your Discord is inactive. It's very simple, right? And if you want to enable this again anytime, you can just do the same thing. You can go to settings, go to advanced and enable this toggle. So that is how to disable developer mode on Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.